Hello, everybody. Thank you very much for choosing Learning Life and Loving Radio Scanners. I am wonderful on telling you guys that today I am going to miss the Excel Center Bloomington. I have done so much work there, and I am continuing proud of myself. I am really am just wondering on what is on my plate up next, because there's might be a couple of things coming up. There might be really good radio scanner feeds that I could listen to. There might be different stuff that we could be using on my radio scanner over here. I could be doing videos like those, just doing outdoor videos, which outdoor videos, just honestly to let you guys know, outdoor videos are a video that I mostly like to do, because outdoor videos are more than just help for me. They also blow off the stink, which I actually learned from my mom today, which doing blowing off my stink is a really big help for me. Just it helps out make your day really good. I've been outside the house for the majority of the night. I went to the Longhorn Steakhouse, and I got to let you guys know that food there, I love that mac and cheese. That mac and cheese had bacon in it. And also the atmosphere was really vibing there. And whenever I went over to let's just say the B&L, I even joined me a new group today, which I'm really happy about that I joined it. It was the Excel Center alumni, because a matter of fact, I'm a graduate at the Excel Center Bloomington, and I am really proud of myself on that. And also coming up on my channel, which I think is really kind of interesting, on my channel, which I feel really excited about, and I'm looking forward to. So the first thing that I do, which I think is really kind of interesting on my channel, it's that the stuff that I learned from the Excel Center Bloomington, I might use for myself. Whenever I start sending out the emails, maybe doing a video up there at the State House, check in and make sure the protocols are okay there. Just make sure everything is okay with that, because there's going to be lots of things happening there. There's going to be maybe a band. There's also maybe going to be lots of self-advocates there, which I feel really happy about this next Wednesday. Because this next Wednesday is Valentine's Day, and I cannot tell you guys enough that the Excel Center has really gotten my eyes on really good, but just saying, looking around, I'm going to miss those people there, because those people were not just family. Those people were friends. Now, also, which I think is really kind of interesting on their end, which I think is so very helpful on their end, which I think is, I'm sorry about that dog, you guys. I cannot control that dog. So, also let you guys know, there has been so much different radio scanner traffic throughout the days here at my place. Now the thing that is different about this place is that we got us a fire station, which is Like right over there, it's called Ellettsville Fire Station 71. So Ellettsville Fire Station 71, it's like one of the bestest fire stations, okay? Now, also looking around like at the different radio scanner feeds and at the different stuff that you guys can listen to on these radios are just so amazing and so remarkable on how much time I get on these radios. So that right there was the IU Police Department Ops 1, because tonight there is a ball game, and I gotta tell you guys something. Good thing that I wasn't there in Bloomington.
Go ahead, yourself, Team Lambert.
Yes, myself.
So that right there was like some local radio traffic, which the next radio traffic comes from DNR. So that's the control channel I have it on 858.4875. And you guys see that it's carrying it away pretty good. Now the bad place that I cannot get no signal, it's like whenever I go to like the Bloomington Fire Department, the Bloomington City Hall, even sometimes at Stonebelt, I cannot pick it up. I guess there is like a barricade of reception there, which I think is just like so very weird.
This is a house complainant advising black and jump on doors and windows looking around the outside of the window.
So that right there was like what the radio traffic sounds like in my area. This radio traffic, you guys, is like so busy sometimes. Like on a single day, if I have this on this channel that I'm currently listening to right now, now to switch our departments, I got some pictures to show you guys, which I wish I could show you, which sadly those pictures are on here on this cell phone, but they so far got the 4 floors up. They got kind of a nice array of different stuff going on there. They got like different places, like different areas, and also like different radio feeds that happens like every day. So I actually seen our local firefighter pick up a radio scanner like that Unicron, and that radio scanner is like really neat. But I hate that right there is our fire.
North Walnut Street and South Washington Street and North Washington Street. Chief complains unconscious Indian deer, 36 hours.
So that right there was like our local fire dispatch. And most local fire dispatch, this is a fun thing to learn, because most of our fire departments use a common signal. Like this fire department, I got this like all the way from, and that right there is like our local JMA. That right there was Lawrence County, and Lawrence County is like one of our primary places.
The Longview run disappeared. Was that just canceled?
So that right there was like canceled. So you guys see, IU Health sometimes doesn't come in that good, and that's okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys really did like it. I'm just trying to make some content that is like really different for my YouTube channel. So I hope everybody has a wonderful day. I will see you guys back here tomorrow, maybe in the morning, maybe in the afternoon for a video. I will see you guys back here tomorrow.